Okay, how do you find momentum? In this problem, they have the velocity of the penguin, which is 2 meters per second. And we have the mass of the penguin, which is 5.6 kilograms. So really, this is going to be just a plug and chug. We're going to use momentum is equal to mass times velocity. So momentum is equal to 2 times 5.6. Throw it in a calculator, we end up with 11.2. And what's the units? Kilogram times meter per second. And you're like, Story, could I also put here newtons per second? Oh, whoa. Not newtons per, no, you can't do that. That would be wrong. Newtons times second? Yes, both of those are okay. So just to review here, I would give you a point for this. I'd probably get you a point for your answer, and I would give you a point for your units. Ah, the majestic unicorn, starring in this beautiful problem. Okay, so he's racing toward a rainbow. He has a momentum, oops, I'm gonna change that. He has a momentum of 3.4 times 10 to the second kilogram meter per second. And the velocity of this little unicorn is 34 meters per second. So the question is, what is his mass? And I honestly don't know because I just made these numbers up. I'm kind of curious myself. So P is equal to mv. Okay, so P is equal to, oh, hang on. So we know, oh my gosh, hold on. Oh, sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. Okay, so we have momentum, which was 3.4 times 10 to the second equals the mystery mass times 34. So we would divide by 34 on both sides. And we end up with a mass of 10 kilograms. This is a very tiny, very adorable unicorn, like the size of a small dog. So, yay! Small unicorn.